Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and we are jumping straight into this video. This unit is provided by Ywigs. They sent over a unit to DIY a knotless braided wig, and the hair that they provided was 3 packs of braiding hair. I'm not sure what length, but they were kind enough to provide the braiding hair as well as a 10-inch full lace wig. Here is the wig. It is very good lace. The lace was so thin, like it just felt super nice. Again, it's $360 full lace. In the middle, it does kind of get a little dark, but you'll see that once we jump into the video. But as far as the lace part around the perimeter of your head is full lace, and you know, you can see through it with the parts and whatnot. But yes, it comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and then 1 comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So they provided a wig cap as well. I also went ahead and sectioned off my hair off camera just to make things a lot easier. I did it according to how I wear my units, which is to the side. I never really wear a middle part, so I did not do a part down the middle, but you can part your hair according to how you like. And as you can see, this is what I was saying as far as the construction of the wig cap. It's full lace around the parameter, but as soon as you get in the middle, it is a little dark. So I did end up purchasing some hair from my local beauty supply store because I wasn't sure what length it was that they provided, and I knew I wanted my hair to be fairly long. So this is the hair that I used. It's Bobby Boss's 65-inch hair. So this is what the unit is looking like thus far. I did go ahead and do some braids off camera because y'all, it was a lot harder than what I expected it to be. So it took me days, probably even weeks, because I literally took my time doing this unit because it was so hard for me. This is my first time doing a braided unit, so just bear with me. So the easiest method to do knotless braids for me was to do the rubber band method and then crochet the hair at the top. And then once you get it in and pull it through, go ahead and begin braiding. But you have to braid overhanded just so you can cover up that rubber band. Y'all, and please forgive the lighting. My white shirt just kept messing up the lighting. But all I'm doing is braiding the hair down. I'm not using any product on the hair, which I should have. However, when I use product, when I put the rubber bands in, it just literally soaked it up. Going forward, if I ever do this again, I probably would get a kinky unit because it would be a lot easier to grip the hair and just more controllable. Y'all, and don't talk crap about my braids because my braids is a little just discombobulated. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna snip them, cut them, whatever. But yeah, right now they're looking a little messy, and that's okay because at the end of the day, I was quite frankly frustrated with this unit overall, and I'm just glad I made it through to the end. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it one more time. I crocheted at the top, then I overhand braided the hair down, making sure I covered up that rubber band. Whichever way you place that rubber band is the way that the braid is going to lay, if that makes sense. So make sure you place it the way you want it to be, because you're not going to be able to just move it around freely and do like a 360 because you're trying to cover up that rubber band. I did think about cutting it. I just didn't. I'll probably try one of the braids, but yeah. And as well, in the future, I probably should have added more braiding hair. I feel like my parts were a lot bigger than what the braid was. I don't know, I missed something in the midst of doing this unit. But again, y'all, this was my first time and I think it turned out pretty good for my first time. I just know some things that I would change up for the near future. So this is what the unit turned out looking like, and it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I was slick proud of myself that I made it through it, because yeah, it took me weeks. Y'all seen how many times I changed my outfit because yeah, like your girl was going through it. But it's cute overall. As you can see, how I told you, the braid is gonna lay the way that the rubber band lays, and I told you that I did it as far as like a side part thing. So yeah, just be mindful of that. I have not cut or trimmed or did anything. This is just the raw material thus far. So now we're gonna lay this unit down. First, I tinted the lace using my lace tinting spray. Then I went ahead and put it on my head without a wig cap. If you've been watching my wig videos, you know that I'm going through this little phase of not wearing a wig cap because it just irritates my head. So I literally just been putting the wig on, and I kind of like this method. Anywho, I'm laying my wig down using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I'm just gonna spray around the hairline and then blow dry in. So now I'm just combing out my baby hairs because it did get glued in when I was laying down this unit. After I do that, I'm gonna begin trimming the lace. And y'all, when I say this lace was so good, like sis, this is the best lace that I have ever had. It's so thin, like girl. Once I really laid this unit down, once we jump into the next step, I kept looking because I'm like, girl, where is this lace? Like it looks so good. So now I'm going in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and we're gonna lay this lace down and melt it into our skin. Normally I would put some powder on just to make everything blend seamlessly, but y'all, again, this lace, child, this lace was so good I didn't even need to add any powder at this point in time. So I did not. I just went on and started gluing or re-gluing this unit down to melt in my skin. So now let's get into these baby hairs. So first things first, my baby hairs are not symmetrical, and that's okay. Again, this is my first time. This is trial and error, and You know what? I really don't mind my baby hairs not being symmetrical, because when I wear my real hair, I don't have uniform baby hair. Like, I'll swoop it here, I'll swoop it there. Like, it's just fun. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be symmetrical. And I really like the way that they were, like, just, you know, very natural looking. So I'm gonna cut and trim them and then just swoop them over with some more Got to Be Glue Free spray. And overall, sis, I really like the way they turned out. So now that the baby hairs are laid, I want to show you guys what the unit looks like when I'm wearing the hair down. Again, y'all, it did not turn out the way that I wanted it to, and that is okay. We are going to make this work. Don't talk crap, because this could be you. But no, again, y'all, trial and error. I know what to do next time. Add a little bit more hair, get a kinky texture unit, and yeah, that's okay. But now I'm going to put it into a bun, because we're not going out like this. Like, we're going to turn this into something. We are going to look cute regardless, and we're not going to be defeated. Okay? So this is what the unit turned out looking like after we didn't put it into a bun. Y'all, this took me forever to do. I pat myself on the back for not giving up, because it was plenty of times that I was going to. I did not glue this unit down, so it is lifted in the back, but that is okay. All right, because we didn't had enough. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to. And yeah, bye.